আজি lecture কিমান 9 Okay, let's start the class. Last class we have talked about the cytoskeleton, right? Whenever we talk about a cytoskeleton, we have discussed certain points like present code, absent in prokaryotes, present in eukaryotes, etc. Talking about the cytoskeleton, it is made up of certain types of proteinaceous structures, and these structures has been broadly divided into 3 types, that is microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate fibers. We have talked about the microtubules in the last class, right? We have discussed about microtubule. What is the information that we know? That whenever we talk about a microtubule, it is a hollow structure, right? Next is it is made up of certain type of subunits, right? We have drawn the diagram of a microtubule also, right? And the specific protein that is present, this is the point that we have already discussed. Aji continue korim, and what we will do is we will write about the functions of microtubule, right? So continue korim. So, by second. Continuation kori pelai functions of microtubule heading koriba. প্ৰথমতে লিখি লোৱা So talking about microtubules, these are the functions of microtubules. The first one is they help in spindle formation. We have two words, they help in spindle and astral ray formation. Talking about astral rays, talking about spindle fibers, these two associations or these two structures we will be discussing in the chapter called as cell cycle and cell division. That is the next chapter that we have to discuss after cell cycle will chapter ase tar ami details or porhim. As of now, spindle fiber last class of okman koisu, remember we have talked about the word called as centriole, right? Nucleus of sort of a structure that helps in the formation of spindle fibers. Those spindle fibers ultimately are made up of key microtubules, right? So microtubules helps in the formation of spindle fibers. Talking about astral rays, these are also ray like structures that develops from the centriole. So if you are talking about the cell like this, we have the nucleus, we have the centriole here, right? Centriole pra ki hoy je kisuman dighol fibers formation hoy aru kisuman horu fibers formation hoy, right? This small fibers that looks like a star or a aster is called as astral rays, right? So ei horu bilakok ami ki boli ko astral rays aru ebilake ki form koribo spindle fibers. So these are nothing but that originates certain types of microtubules that originates from the centriole itself, right? Astral aru spindle fiber function ki they help in the process of cell division. We will be talking about that later. Astral ray has come from the word aster. Aster mane ki star, right? So centriole also given star like fibers they come out. So that's called as the aster and the rays are called as astral rays. Next, second is they form the cytoskeleton of cilia and flagella. We have to talk about that 9+0 and 9+2 organization. Tate ase, we will be talking about it. So cilia, flagella ultimately cytoskeleton to kihere bonua hobo microtubules ere bonua hobo. Obviously not only microtubules, we have something else also. Next is giving the shape and rigidity. Since we are talking about cytoskeleton, so obviously it gives the shape to the cell. It helps in the anaphasic movement of chromosomes. This is again something that's related with cell cycle, right? Whenever we talk about cell division, either we are talking about mitosis or we are talking about meiosis, we know whenever a cell divides, it is the nucleus that divides first, right? Whenever the nucleus divides, what we understand that the genetic material that is present inside the nucleus needs to be divided equally between two daughter cells, right? And what is the genetic material that we are talking about? Nucleus etar bhitorot jonkini bostu thake, jonkini genetic material thake, normally hetu ki formot thake. If you see it under a microscope, we will see it in the form of a thread like structure, and the word that we use is called as chromatin network, right? So nucleus bhitor ki thakibo thread structures are thread ok ami ki boli kom chromatin networks. During the process of division or as the cell prepares itself to divide, hey, chromatin networks will ki hoy, they will condense and ultimately we can see the chromosomes, right? So normally mature cell eta before or prior to division, if you look it under a microscope, it is not the chromosomes that we observe, but it is something called as chromatin network that is we see, or the filamentous structure. Hey, filamentous structure to lahe lahe ki hoy, condensation hoy pelai, they will become thick and short, and at that time we will be using the word called as chromosomes. And we know when we are talking about division, jimankhini genetic material asile, jimankhini chromosomes asile, they have to get divided between two daughter cells. And talking about division, I think you have heard certain words called as prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Eta cell jete divide kore, it is a nucleus that divides first. Nucleus kenege divide kore, it has certain stages. The first step of division is called as prophase, right? Nucleus to division of first step. After prophase, we have metaphase, then we have anaphase, and finally we have telophase. Telophase is the last step of nuclear division, and together with nuclear division, okol to nucleus to divide kore no hobo no, cytoplasm to divide koribo lagibo. So after telophase or simultaneously with telophase, we will see the cytoplasm dividing also, right? A gutei details kini in the next chapter, right? As of now, anaphasic movement of chromosomes mane ekdom simple ke ki jani. So as I said, no, nuclear division or ketaman step ase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase aru telophase. Prophase or ki hoy, condensation of chromatin network hoy, tetia hale ami chromosomes dekha pao, right? Metaphase or ki hoy aru prophase or ki hoy se nuclear membrane kon naikia hoi jay. We have a cell, since we are talking about a eukaryotic cell, obviously nucleus would be present. I mean nucleus word to ketia use kore whenever it has a nuclear membrane. Now during the process of cell division, if the nucleus has to divide, then obviously the nuclear membrane needs to disappear. So that is the first step of karyokinesis or nuclear division. সো যেতিয়া নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেটেৰিয়েলখন বা নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনখন ভাঙি যাব তাৰ ভিতৰত থকা ক্ৰোমোজোমছখিনি বা তাৰ ভিতৰত থকা জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলখিনি গোটেই সেলটোত স্প্ৰেড হৈ যাব নাযায় যেতিয়ালৈকে মেমব্ৰেইনখন আছিল everything was confined inside the membrane once the membrane disappeared then all the chromosomes will get scattered in the cell right so that's what happens during the prophase the next step is called as metaphase metaphase or ki hoy is a scattered junbila chromosomes ase all gets arranged in a particular sequence or it gets arranged in the equatorial plane so we have certain steps or certain stages that we have to study under each step of karyokinesis metaphase buli koleo ketaman point poribo libo prophase buli koleo ketaman point poribo libo kintu tar bhitor eta important ki if you talk about prophase disappearing of the nuclear membrane first point second point condensation of the genetic material if you talk about metaphase is a spread hoy asile gutei bilak equatorial plane arrange hoy jay it is the best time to study the number of chromosomes in a cell if the chromosomes remain scattered in a cell আমি তাক কাউন্ট কৰিবলৈ আমাৰ প্ৰবলেম হ'ব কিন্তু এটা যদি পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এৰিয়াত তাহাত নিজকে এৰেঞ্জ কৰি লয় it will become easier for us to study so metaphase কি হয় the chromosome arranged in the equatorial plane after they get arranged next what যিখিনি জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল আছিল দুটা নিউক্লিয়াছত ডিভাইড হ'ব লাগিব নালাগে so next step is anaphase what happens is that chromosome gets splitted into two one half goes to one pole the other half goes to another pole right so মাজত আসলে মাজৰ পৰা দুটা পাৰ্ট হৈ যায় এবলাক আমি পিছত পঢ়িম ক্ৰোমাটিডস আসলে chromosome is made up of chromatids right প্ৰথমতে আমি এটা word use কৰিলো chromatin network কি ফৰ্ম কৰিছে chromosomes is made up of what chromatids right these chromatids separate and ultimately দুটা nuclei form কৰে এই যে ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ পৰা দুটা chromatids separate হৈ গল হেতু কেতিয়া হ'ব anaphase the third step of karyokinesis right so এই যে separate হৈ গল it has to go to the poles so এই poles হলে টানি যে লৈ গল মাজত আছিল মাজৰ পৰা দুটা poles হলে টানি লৈ গল সাইডলে জানি কোনে কৰিব it is the spindle fibers that occurs during the anaphasic movement so this is what we understand by anaphasic movement of chromosomes means মাজৰ পৰা সাইডলে গুছি যাব because they have to form two nuclei right I think that much information is more than enough as of now later we'll talk about it in details next is the point of future cell plate is determined by microtubule cell plate is another word that is related with cell division as I said it is karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis karyokinesis hobo tar pisot cytoplasm divide koribo but the cell division in case of a plant cell or cell division in case of an animal cell okoman different ki karyokinesis process is the same prophase metaphase anaphase telophase sobore thakibo kintu cytokinesis phase tu no keneke cytokinesis hoi pelai duta cell form korise that is slightly different in both the cases plant cell we have something called as a Faro method eta cell thakibo shrink koribo constrict koribo duta hoi jabo teni ami binary fission porisu no so that is the way they do but in case of plant cell ki hoy since they have a extra layer that is the cell wall tahator tenike constriction no hoy এটা নরমাল সেল এখন লেয়ার আছে এটা সেলৰ পৰা দুটা সেল হ'ব লাগিলে ৰাউন্ড স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ এনে কনস্ট্ৰিক্ট হৈ যাব না যায় কনস্ট্ৰিক্ট হৈ দুটা সিগি যাব বাইনারি ফিশন জুটো কিন্তু দ্যাট ইজ নট পসিবল ইন কেস অফ আ প্লান্ট সেল why because they have an extra layer that is the cell wall is rigid in nature তাতে কনস্ট্রিক্ট হ'ব নিদিয়ে কিন্তু in spite of that plant cell also needs to get divided into two দুটা তো হ'বই লাগিব so what they do they divide by the method of cell plate right cell plate ekhon form kore keneke form kore kune form kore what is the role of Golgi bodies there what is the role of vesicles next chapter ami discuss korim as of now cell plate formation ki a plant cell undergoes cytokinesis by cell plate method মাজত এখন প্লেট ফর্ম করিব এটা সেল আছে তার মাজত এখন প্লেট ফর্ম করিব তারপর দুটা সেল সেপারেট হয়ে যাব এনিমেল সেলত এটা সেল আছে মাজত কনস্ট্রিকশন হব দুটা সেললে সেপারেট হয়ে যাব সো সেল প্লেট আমি কোড দেখাবা সেল প্লেট অকল প্লান্ট সেলতহে দেখাবা রাইট সো হু হেল্পস ইট ইটস অলওয়েজ দ্য মাইক্রোটিউবুলস হু হেল্পস ইন দ্য ফর্মেশন অফ দ্য সেল প্লেট what happens after cell plate formation a plant cell divides into two because of cytokinesis clear এটা বিশেষ একো লিখিব নালাগে নেক্সট চ্যাপ্টার কৰিলে আৰু ক্লিয়ার হৈ যাব so this was all about microtubules next we'll be discussing about the second type of filament that is microfilament এখিনি হল লিখি লাস্ট লাইন এটা মানে লিখি লোৱা हाँ
সেল প্লেট ফৰ্মেশ্যন যেতিয়া হয় ক্যান্সাৰত হয় সেল ওয়াল ব্ৰেক কৰে তেতিয়া
সেল ৱালৰ চোৱা সেল ৱাল বুলি ক'লে আকৌ পঢ়িব লাগিব না আমি মিডল লেমেলা পঢ়িছোঁ ন middle lamella we have talked about the adjoining cell wall I mean cell layer between two cells no so cell wall kon to swa eta side he middle lamella kon form koribo libo to ultimately middle lamella kon form kora pisode duta cell form koribo so hetu bostue we are talking about it as a cell plate main wall konor to cell wall to bhangiboi lagibo kintu bhanga mane constriction ba furrow method na bhange ekhon plate form kore plate khone duita cell separate kori dia right আৰু ইয়াতে যিমানবোৰ ৱৰ্ডছ পাইছা ন সাইডত জাস্ট লিখি থৈ দিব পাৰে ৰেফাৰ টু সেল সাইকেল এণ্ড সেল ডিভিজন নেক্সট টাইম তোমালোকে পঢ়িলে ইউ মাইট ফৰগেট দ্য এষ্ট্ৰেল ৰেজ কোড পঢ়িম ন সো ইউ কেন জাস্ট ৰাইট ইট ডাউন ৰেফাৰ টু সেল সাইকেল এণ্ড সেল ডিভিজন সেল সাইকেল এণ্ড সেল ডিভিজন তোমালোকৰ টাৰ্ম 1ত নাই ন টাৰ্ম 2ত আছে নাই আছে ন Next likha microfilaments number 2 likhi lo notes kin So the next two is microfilaments aru intermediate fibers, right? Microtubules eneke tube like in nature, microfilament is a thread like structure that is solid, no? Microtubule ki asile hollow structure, so we are just drawing a thread like structure, right? What is important is it is composed of dash and dash protein, it is composed of actin and myosin. Question ahibo pare, actin protein is found in microfilaments. Actin or logot ki pai myosin protein, that is also important. As far as functions are concerned, I think these are understood. Provide support to plasma membrane, we understand, helps in pseudopodia. Pseudopodia of false feet, right? Amoeba. Next is formation of cleavage furrow during cell division. This is what we were talking about. We were talking about a constriction type of cell division that is seen in case of animal, no? Animal cells or junto type of cell division hoy ba junto type of cytokinesis hoy, that is called as cleavage method or furrow method. Right? So, eta cell ase tar majot de constriction hobole help korile. Who helps it? It is the microfilaments. As far as cell plate formation is concerned, kune help kore? Microtubules se. Right? Cytokinesis in plant cell, kune help korise? Microtubules se. Cytokinesis in animal cell, kune help korise? Microfilaments se. Right? Next, involved in cytoplasmic streaming and amoeboid movement. Amoeboid movement, again we understand, we are talking about the pseudopodia formation itself. As far as cytoplasmic streaming is concerned, the movement of the cytoplasm from one cell to another cell, because we know each and every cell have a continuity, no, a connection ase. Aloof hisabe to nathake, no, substances from one cell moves to the other cell. So this movement is called as cytoplasmic streaming. Who helps it? It is the filaments. So ekhini yar bitor ki important, okol protein dutar naam important, aru iman details of ahana iman important nohoy. ঠিক আছে, coming to the last one is the intermediate filaments. Intermediate filaments ki hoy? Obviously proteinaceous filaments, it's made up of proteins. They do not have a definite composition. You can neither talk about them as solid structure nor you can talk about them as a hollow structure. Ekko specific composition nai ba specific kobat pai teneke nohoy. As far as the names of intermediate fibers are concerned, jote pai accordingly they are named. For example, if intermediate fibers, some of them are called as keratin filament. Keratin, we talk about hair, we talk about nails, bones, etc. Right? So, tat jodi thake, those would be considered as keratin. Depending on where they are found, these intermediate fibers has been given the names. Question keneke ahisile, gutei kita poribo libo. Question number ahisile, heterogeneous filaments are associated with muscle cells. Muscle cells or jinki intermediate filaments thakibo, tak ami ki buli kom? Heterogeneous filaments buli kom. Similarly, etu upor question aha nai. Generally neurofilaments are heterogeneous. Neuro to is something that we know, we are talking about the nerve cell. So heterogeneous or muscle cell upor question ahise. So this is a specific note about the cytoskeleton of a cell. Ami ki kolu, it's made up of certain types of proteinaceous filaments divided into three types, that is microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate. Out of this intermediate, as I said, A2 point important, aru A2 point important. Question ahe, who forms a basket around the nucleus? Ami pisat ami porhim, nucleus to usor in and around ki thake, intermediate fibers bilakor eta basket thake. Ami jeta nucleus structure draw korim, tetia ami akim. So if you are talking about the cells around nucleus, nucleus or in and around, membrane or in and around on, kisman fibers eneke thakibo as if it will look like a basket, right? Baskets or canes bilak eneke ulta pulta ke thakile eta basket type hoy no. So these fibers would also remain in the form of a basket. So we talk about it as the basket around the nucleus. Question ahead, the basket around the nucleus is formed by, it is formed by intermediate fibers. So a duta point important. Next, when we talk about cytoskeleton, ami duta bostu cytoskeleton poribo lagibo. Cilia flagella, basal body. So before discussing that, we have to talk something about centriole and centrosome. Heading koriba centriole and centrosome. Cytoskeleton or under it's not a different topic. Okay, since we are talking about a cell, we have to talk about all the parts that is present inside a cell. We have talked about the different type of cell organelles. We have talked about the boundary also. In certain types of cells, we see a structure that is called as a centriole. What is a centriole? It is nothing but a collection of two microtubule. I think the statement is understood now. Centriole কি হয় এটা কালেকশন এটা বস্তু দুডাল মাইক্রোটিউবল একেলগে থাকে সেই বস্তুটোকে আমি কি বুলি কওঁ centriole বুলি কওঁ ৰাইট কোড থাকিব নিউক্লিয়াছটোৰ ওচৰত থাকিব নেক্সট পইণ্ট ইফ দ্য centriole is found near the nucleus or যদি মাইক্রোটিউবল দুডাল near the nucleus দেখা পাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে তাক আমি centriole বুলি কম দুটা সদায় দুটা এটা পেয়াৰত থাকিব উইল ড্ৰ দ্য ডায়াগ্ৰাম ঠিক আছে সো এটা পেয়াৰ অফ মাইক্ৰোটিউবলছ ইফ ইট ইজ প্ৰেজেণ্ট নিয়াৰ দ্য নিউক্লিয়াছ ইট ইজ কল্ড এ centriole if that pair of microtubule is present at the periphery of a cell or below the plasma membrane it is called as basal body ultimately দুইটাই একেটাই বস্তু কিন্তু centriole আৰু basal body নাম দুটাহে বেলেগ নাম দুটা কিহৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ depending on the position where they are found right and as far as basal body is concerned I think you should have an idea because we have talked about the flagella of bacteria right bacteria tinta part asil no basal body hook and the filament that basal body that we are talking about basal body if you remember we have drawn a diagram like this in case of bacteria no so basal body dal ba flagella dal kor pra ulaisile somewhere from here right so eto to capsule asile eto cell wall asile aru edal plasma membrane asile so ei jega khinik আমি কি কওঁ basal body so if you talk about the basal body what exactly is a basal body বা কোনে flagella ডাল ফৰ্ম কৰিলে basal body এ flagella ডাল ফৰ্ম কৰিলে basal body বুলি ক'লে a pair of centrioles that is below the plasma membrane that is what is called as a basal body it is that point from where the flagella develops or it is that point where the flagella remains attached the base of a flagella right next etia centriole boli koa logege nucleus or osor thakile tak centriole koy so centrioles or ki janibo laibo what is the function the most important function is obviously they help in the process of cell division as we have already talked about the formation of spindle fibers the formation of astral rays etc spindle fibers astral rays eblak jodi form nokore tetiale cell division process to ba chromosome separation ba nuclei division process to nohoy so everything depends on that spindle fibers and spindle fibers originate kune kore centrioles e kore second is whenever we talk about centriole ei dudal microtubule no ki hoy eta body er bhitor thake eta horu organelle bhitor thake and that organelle is called as centrosome so what is a centrosome a body that has the centriole is called as a centrosome whenever we hear the word some what we understand we are talking about a body right jikono eta body so we have a structure he structure to bitor dural microtubule thakilo tak ami ki boli kom centriole so first let's draw the diagram and then we'll write the description about it horoke diagram eta akai iman important nohoy tothapi
centrioles animal cell thake no
ha centriole okol animal cell thake
but bacteria to animal cell nohoy
bacteria animal cells nohoy kintu lower kisuman plant cell to plant lower organisms ato ami pau right so centriole no doubt okol animal cell thake kintu in case of suppose we are talking about lower algae ha jar niki flagella ase to flagella kune form koribo basal body pra flagella hobo basal body to ki hoy centriole hoy right so ultimately obviously it's a characteristic of an animal cell by eukaryotic cell hetu ami kobo paru kintu lower plant cell to ami pau right
no but centriole jenibo animal cell or plasma membrane or bhitor thakibo
plasma membrane of without mane
that means inside the cell
near the nucleus yeah
inside the plasma membrane but centrioles in case of bacteria they are outside the plasma membrane
yeah so that is the reason why it is not called as centriole instead we talk about it as a basal body kintu bostu to eke it's a collection of two microtubules right depending on the position naam kita diya hoise so hey karne whenever we talk about centriole you cannot be thinking about the presence of two microtubule below the plasma membrane centriole what to kwa loge the position should be near the nucleus itself so near the nucleus tenekwa microtubule present only in case of an animal cell not in case of a plant cell that is the reason why we say centriole is absent in case of a plant cell right আৰু সদায় a microtubule dudal thakibo, as I said, no, it's a collection of 2 microtubules and they would always remain in perpendicular to each other, right? Dudal dikhol ke parallelly na thake, perpendicular thakibo 90 degree hobo. Just to have an idea. Since they remain in a pair, so we use another word that is called as diplosome. Duta ekelage ase ekan diplo. So, central characteristic of our animal cell, not of our plant cell, but exception ki lower motile plant cells are present, and whenever we talk about lower plant cells, some types of pteridophytes, some types of bryophytes are also included. So, some types of ferns, some type of mosses, সেইবিলাকত কি থাকিব যেহেতু মেল গ্যামেট থাকে ন মেল গ্যামেটৰ কি থাকিব ফ্লেজেলা থাকিব তো ফ্লেজেলা থাকিলে তো অবভিয়াসলি সেন্ট্রিওল বুলি নকলে বেসেল বডি কম কিন্তু তথাপিতো থাকিবই দুডাল মাইক্ৰোটিউবল right. So, that is the reason why we are writing it here. As far as absent is concerned, absent in case of all this. Gymnosperms and angiosperms ki boli ko highly developed plants. So, tahator tak can I rub the diagram? মই অলপ আগতে ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত সৰি এইটো কি মাৰ্ক কৰিছোঁ centrosome মাৰ্ক কৰিছোঁ নেকি centrosome নহয় দেই centrosome the entire structure is called as a centrosome boundary কোনটোক centrosome নকয় ন so খালি centrosome or নালাগে centrosome wordটো কাটি পেলাই লিখা centrosphere right it's not centrosome the entire diagram is called as centrosome inside the centrosome কি থাকে centriole থাকে right Gynoplasm is the other name for centrosphere. No, it's the other name for centrosphere.
Centrosphere.
Centrosphere. Agote ki likhisu? Centrosome likhisilu. Centrosome to kati dia. Gynoplasm or centrosphere. It has two names. I'll write the points, then it will become clear. Is it clear now? Centriole plus centrosphere ultimately forms a body and that body is called as centrosome. Right? Centrioles keita puli koso a collection of two microtubules, right? So centrioles or ki thake when we talk about a dividing cell, right? Dividing cell or ki thake a pair of centrioles thake. Normally when a cell is not dividing tat keita thakibo eta thakibo ডিভাইডিং হ'লে অবভিয়াছলি দুটা হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়াহে সব বস্তু কন্টেন্টস ডিভাইড হৈ যাব প্লাস উই হ্যাভ টকড অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট স্পিন্ডল ফৰ্মেশন স্পিন্ডল ফাইবাৰ্স বিলাকে কি কৰে ক্ৰোমোজোমখিনি টানিবলৈ হেল্প কৰে ইট helps the chromosomes or it splits the chromosomes and pulls it to the two opposite poles, right? So if you are talking about a cell, you talk about the nucleus or yet at a centriole thakibo yet at a centriole thakibo because the centriole or fibers kisuman to obviously ulabo estrel rays during the process of cell division ki hobo eta centriole eta pole le jabo this centriole come here this centriole will come here ultimately tahate ki form koribo spindle fibers form koribo so non dividing cell or dividing cell ot ki hobo je centrioles bila move koribo kole move koribo duta poles ole or non dividing ot ki hobo nucleus to usorote thakibo right talking about duplicates during S phase of cell cycle it upor question ahe but this question is related with cell cycle and not with this chapter right cell cycle jehetu ami kora nai whenever a cell cycle talks about what it talks about how does a cell divide right what are the things that happen before dividing what are the things that happen during the process of dividing etc so cell eta divide koribole hole it's not like that spontaneously immediately divide kori jabo enuka nohoy in case of a human cell if a cell has to divide and form two cells it requires 24 hours eta cell or duta cell hobo lage and out of this 24 hours actual division jetu ami chromosomes or divide by cytokinesis ko it is just of 1 hour baki 23 hours it's something is called as a preparation time jenika ami era party jabo lagile we prepare first and then we go homoy kot besi lage preparation ar nohole ene party golu khalu melile gusi ahilo kintu 3 din manar pa ago pa bhabila nai ki pinhim ki jam keneke jam so similar is the case of the cell also preparation time দুটা ফেজত ডিভাইড কৰিছে আই ফেজ আৰু এছ ফেজ আই ফেজ আৰু এম ফেজ ঠিক আছে সেইবিলাক আমি নেক্সট চেপ্টাৰত পঢ়িম সো এছ ফেজ কি হয় ইট ইজ ওয়ান স্টেপ অফ দ্য প্ৰিপাৰেশ্যন ফেজ ৰাইট প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰে এইটো কোৱেশ্চন আহে যে চেন্ট্ৰিঅল এটাৰ পৰা দুটা কেতিয়া হয় ডুপ্লিকেশ্যন অফ চেন্ট্ৰিঅলছ অকাৰ্ছ ইন ড্যাশ ফেজ অফ সেল সাইকেল ইট অকাৰ্ছ ইন এছ ফেজ অফ সেল সাইকেল এছ ফেজত আৰু বহুত কিবা কিবি হয় লিটল লেটাৰ right so this was the information about a centriole next cytoskeleton point of view pra centriole atar structure kenekwa we have to talk about so next likha structure of a centriole what is a centriole we have an idea now right what is the function of the centriole okoman idea hoy goise right next we have to talk about that structure of a centriole so heading kora structure of a centriole okay non membranous etu monot rakhiba ha whenever we talk about the cell organelle generally we talk about ribosome as an example of non membranous cell organelle apart from ribosomes aru eta example palo ami centriole okay structure of the centriole prothome diagram akim tar pisot we'll discuss so more exact hua nai what you need to remember diagram to generally akhibole nidie aru etia to tumalko aru chance nai because it will be objective right subjective hote kintu akhibole disile cartwheel to thik ase so while you are drawing the diagram khali eta bostu saba je egita this is bigger this to same thik ase gute bilakor sob eke khali ei bostu to we are talking about it as a b c a B, C. A is bigger than B, C. B, C equal. Huh? Nota. Keta kilo? No. 9 plus 0 and 9 plus 2. সেইটো মই তোমাক সোধা নাই মই তোমাক কৈছোঁ যে 9 plus 0 and 9 plus 2 is something that we are going to study so we have drawn 9 9 plus 0 9 plus 2 কি হয় nothing but arrangement of microtubules so কেইটা microtubule থাকে 9টাটো থাকিবই so বাহিৰত 9টা থাকিব Next point, while you are drawing A marking in Saba, it is always C that joins with A. C A linker বুলি কয় ঠিক আছে মাইক্ৰোটিউবলছ থাকিব মাইক্ৰোটিউবলছবিলাক লিংক হৈ থাকিব লিংক হৈ থাকিলে কোনে কোনে এই চোৱা এই গোটেই তিনিটাৰে এটা মাইক্ৰোটিউবল ইফ ইউ ৰিমেম্বৰ উই হেভ টকড এবাউট মাইক্ৰোটিউবল কনচিষ্ট অফ প্ৰ'ট'ফিলামেণ্ট ছাবটিউবল থাকে ন লাষ্ট ক্লাছত আমি কৰিছোঁ চ' এটা মাইক্ৰোটিউবল তাৰ কেইটা থাকে এটা দুটা তিনিটা ট্ৰিপলেটছ থাকে right triplets form one microtubule so ultimately collection of microtubules kiman notat keita triplets ake tinta and they have to be linked and linker to ki hoy ca linker right linker to phul koribo nwara karon after this eta to ami centriolar structure pori aso next ami basal body ba cilia structure pori tat kintu ami ab linker pam etia kintu ami ca linker because we have to compare both 9 plus 0 and 9 plus 2 right so linkers to bhalke likhiba The centermost portion is called as hub. কিহৰ ব্লু গ্ৰীণ এইকেইটা কি ব্লু গ্ৰীণ নাই দেখোন ৰেড গ্ৰীণ নে ব্লু গ্ৰীণ না জাষ্ট আ ৰাফ ডায়েগ্ৰাম ঠিক আছে একচুৱেলি এইকেইটা পইণ্টে কি দেখাইছে দ্য থিকনিং অফ দ্য চাইটোপ্লাজম এই গোটেইখিনিৰ ভিতৰত এইবিলাক যদি টিউব হয় টিউবৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকিব চাইটোপ্লাজমে থাকিব চ' চাইটোপ্লাজমবিলাক কি হয় বিল' দিছ এ মাইক্ৰ'টিউবল থিকনিং হয় এণ্ড ইট ইজ ফ্ৰম দিছ এৰিয়া ৱে দিজ লাইনছ অৰিজিনেট এইডাল যে দেখিছা দীঘলীয়াকৈ এৰ লগত যোনটো লগ লাগিছে that is what is called as a radial spoke. The point of origin of the radial spoke is this red dot. This is called as X bodies, right? So cytoplasm কিছুমান জেগাত থিকেনিং হয় ঠিক হৈ যায় নৰ্মেল সাইটোপ্লাজম আছে কিছুমান ঠিক হৈ যায় থিকেন্ড এৰিয়া কিছুমানৰ পৰা ৰেডিয়েল স্পোকডাল ফৰ্ম কৰে যোনটো থিকেন্ড সাইটোপ্লাজমৰ পৰা ৰেডিয়েল স্পোক অৰিজিনেট কৰে তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ এক্স বডিজ দুটা এক্স বডিজৰ মাজত আৰু এটা এৰিয়া আছে য'ত নেকি সাইটোপ্লাজম থিকেন কৰে তাক আমি ৱাই বডিজ বুলি কম দিছ ইজ চাৰ্টেন ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ্ছ দ্যাট উই সি ইমান ডিটেইলছ নালাগে ৰাইট So, talking about a centriole, the structure of a centriole looks like this, right. Since the structure is like this, it looks like a wheel, and so we have a term called as cartwheel like appearance, right. Cartwheel kyo karone etu wheelor nisina dekha paise na, because of the linkers, right. So, that is the reason. And next, what we know, it is made up of 9 microtubules. Centerot microtubule ase niki? 9. So, this organization is called as 9+0 organization. We will be talking about 2 cytoskeleton, no? Eta whole 9+0, eta whole 9+2. Ciliar jeti akim, tetia dekha pam je majot aru duta microtubule thake. So, that is 9+2, right? So, question ahibo 9+0 car thake, 9+2 car thake. Okay. So, ami likhim yar details kini. Diagram to hole koba. Hub is the centermost area is called as hub, where all the radial spokes join together. Hol gol? Okay. A2 part likhil wasun. Then I can rub this and start writing. So, this tells us that A is bigger, BC of the equal size, right? Because we know one microtubule always has protofilaments, no? Eta tube no hoy. Bahut tube ekelage log lagi edal tube form kore. So, we have 13 protofilaments, we have 10 protofilaments in B and C. Right. So, let the diagram stay. Can I wrap this part? Over. As we keep on writing, we can compare it with the diagram also. Right? Points it, yeah. যোনকেইটা পইণ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট মাৰ্ক কৰি যাবা। এইখিনি লিখি লোৱা এইখিনিতো আমি বুজি পাইছোঁ দুইটা আকাৰ পিছত 9+0 আৰু 9+2 আকাৰ পিছত কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিব লাগিব so that is the reason why you need to know the points right what is the type of protein that is present tubulin protein right arrangement to key 9+0 type of arrangement is found in cilia basal body ne centriole you have to mark it as centriole right so teneke questions ahibo next the linker in case of cilia the linker in case of centriole CA linker, AB linker. Next is if you see A structure to কোনো ধৰণৰ boundary বা membrane নাই no কিন্তু cilia যদি কওঁ cilia has a membrane so we'll have an outer membrane also so membrane present membrane absent right instead of a membrane what we have pericentriolar satellite actually এইবিলাক কি হয় these are the areas from where the new microtubules will get generated এটা সেলত সেন্ট্ৰিঅল কিমান লাগিব বহুত লাগিব যিমানবাৰ ডিভাইড কৰে কিমান সেন্ট্ৰিঅল লাগিব সো সেই সেন্ট্ৰিঅলটো ফৰ্ম কৰিব লাগিলে কোনোবাইটো অৰিজিনেট হে মাইক্ৰোটিউবুলডাল ফৰ্ম কৰিব লাগিব সো মাইক্ৰোটিউবুল কোবৰা ফৰ্ম কৰিব এই স্যাটেলাইটস বিলাকৰ ফৰ্ম সো দে আৰ অলসো কল্ড এজ মাইক্ৰোটিউবুল জেনাৰেটৰ মই লিখাই দিম আৰু পিছত একেটা হল নেকি কোনটো কৈছ 9th radical spokes SPOKES এইটো যে লিখিছিলো radial spoke okay So the centermost portion is called as hub. Hubor pra ki hoy radial spokes bila connected hoy thake originate right. Whatever we have drawn we have just written it down. Cartwheel word to monot rakhiba. So MTG word to janibo lagibo, right? Microtubules বোৰ ক'ৰ পৰা develop হয়? We know now from the pericentriolar satellite. They are considered as areas from where the new microtubules will develop whenever and wherever necessary.
XY bodies मतलब यूनिवर्सल नाम क्या है? XY bodies linked to नाम क्या है?
এইটো oh ইয়াৰ লিংকৰ নামছ নাই, nothing specific. এইটো জাষ্ট মই বস্তুটো দেখাইহে দিছোঁ যে সাইটোপ্লাজমখিনি তেনেকৈ এটা ৰাউণ্ড ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰত থাকে. Functions of Y bodies not properly given. X bodies are important because it is from these areas where the radial spokes arises. Right. I think this is over. Since we have to compare, so we have to compare the angles also, right? Celiat ami 10 degree porim, yate ami 40 degree. Radius of the cylinder, mane by the word cylinder, we understand the word called as hub. Hub ki a rod-like structure, because already. So, this was the information and the structure of the centriole. Cytoskeleton buli kole, first of cytoskeleton is made up of certain types of proteinaceous filaments, 3 types, right. Important points we have discussed. What is the difference between the 3 we have discussed. Talking about the cytoskeleton, duta cytoskeleton poribo lagibo, eta etu aru eta cilium. So, as far as the structure is concerned, we have written the description. If this is over, next likha functions. Functions of centriole likha. Just to have a rough idea about the astral ray and the centriole. Dikhol bilak spindle fibers bilake, why they are called as such? Because they form a spindle shaped structure. As spindle fibers bilake, they remain attached with the chromosomes, right, so that they can split the chromosome into 2 chromatids, right, and short that are not attached with the chromosomes, that looks like a star, is called as astral. Right. So, these are the functions. right. So, what is a basal body? It is nothing but the centriole. When will a centriole be called as a basal body? When it moves towards the periphery of a cell. What is periphery? Side, right. Nucleus osor thakile tak centriole buli kobo, plasma membrane tolot thake jedi ba side ot thake jedi tak ami ki buli kom basal body. Basal body is something that we have to discuss. We will discuss it in the next class. As of now, just remember the basal body ki hoy, nothing but the collection of microtubules itself. Right. Next, what is the most important function of basal body? They will help in the formation of cilia and flagella. Next, as far as how many basal body would be there or how many basal body would be formed in a cell will depend on how many flagella had to be formed. Eta cellot flagella kiman ase, eta cellot cilia kiman ase. Based on that, basal body the number would differ, right. I think this is all for today. In the next class, I am basal body korim, heading kori thoi diba basal body. So, basal body porai jihetu ki originate koribo cilia or flagella. So, the next structure that we have to study is, as we were talking about now, 9+2. 9+2 ki hoy cytoskeleton of cilia or flagella. Cilia or flagella are base to almost the same. There are certain differences between cilia and flagella. Cilia horu hoy, flagella dikhol hoy, cilia basic ke thake, flagella kom ke thake. But as far as the basal body at the base is concerned, the structure composed of that 9 microtubules and 2 extra microtubules, so 9+2. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you.